back to Cravings with Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed, and today we're making shrimp pakoras. I've been trying to perfect the shrimp pakora recipe, and I think I finally got it just right. This recipe is incredible. It's a Chinese Hakka style recipe, which means it includes certain Indian ingredients together with Chinese ingredients, and it makes a beautiful combination. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I have 500 grams, that's approximately 1 pound of cleaned and deveined shrimp or prawn here. These have already been shelled and deveined, and I just ran these through my food processor. To this, I'm going to add 200 grams of small cooked shrimp. If you can find small raw shrimp, you can use that as well. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, a half cup of finely diced onion, a quarter cup of finely diced coriander, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a half teaspoon of cumin powder. And now to add a Chinese ingredient, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Sambal Oelek or Chilli Garlic paste. I'm also going to add a half teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper. Since most of the shrimp pakoras that I've eaten are red, I'm going to add a quarter to a half teaspoon of red food coloring. This is an optional ingredient and you can totally leave it out. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of gram flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. This is going to help bind these pakoras together. Mix this in really well so that all the flour is completely incorporated. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of water. I forgot the chili, and you really need the chili in this recipe, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of finely minced green chili. I have some oil heating up here, and I'm going to dip 2 tablespoons into the oil and keep it aside. Always test a little bit to taste for salt. I'm going to grab some of the shrimp pakora mix using 2 oil spoons, and I'm just going to drop it into the oil. This is raw shrimp batter, so make sure to cook this well on one side and then flip it over and cook it on the other side. If the oil gets too hot, turn the heat down. You don't want these pakoras to only cook from the outside. Repeat the process till you have all of the pakoras ready. Once cooked, just drain these on some kitchen towel. These pakoras are easy to eat. They make a great appetizer with drinks. My family simply loves these. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings with Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for shrimp pakoras. It's so easy to prepare at home, and it also is going to save you a ton of money. And trust me, make a double or triple batch because it will go fast. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy these videos and recipes as well. And ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, take care and happy eating. Bye.